Hi, I'm Lindsay Lyles from Haughton High School. When I began thinking of how I would respond to this question, I asked myself, what characteristics do I have as a teacher leader in order to determine which work experiences created and led to my biggest strength, my rapport with students, my ability to relate to a variety of kids and motivate even the lowest struggling student in my class. The answer is simple. It all boils down to my life experiences, my work outside the Haughton High classroom, and my connections and relationships with a huge variety of cultures and people and places. I've traveled to 11 countries. I've lived in 7 different states, and I've taught school in 3 of those, not only here in Bossier Parish, but also Webster Parish and Oklahoma and Arkansas. These schools where I've spent my time are all very different, culturally, socioeconomically. My experience with so many very different types of kids has really opened my eyes, my mind, my heart to a variety of students, the rich, the poor, the middle, the low performing, the highest, the most advanced. One of the most difficult tasks for teachers today is to be able to reach every student. My experience with such diverse learners has forced me to become incredibly adaptable and flexible in my teaching strategies. I feel I've moved beyond your typical assumptions and developed a cultural sensitivity and respect for all learners, which has made my classroom feel safer and more inclusive than most. Through this, I've been able to build rapport and trust with kids who often have trouble letting down walls and being open to engagement in the classroom. I know I may not be the most advanced teacher on paper academically, but when it comes to true empathy and understanding, I know I excel, which leads to my success in a diverse classroom.